Welcome to our channel. Today, to begin, open your web browser and navigate to the official Mailchimp website. Once on the home page, locate the Sign Up button at the top right corner and click it. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials instead of signing up. For new users, fill out the registration form with your email address, username, and password. After submitting the form, check your email inbox for a confirmation email from Mailchimp. Click on the verification link in the email to confirm your account. Now return to the Mailchimp website and log in with your credentials. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Mailchimp dashboard. On the dashboard, find the eCommerce section, typically located in the main menu. Click on eCommerce to access tools tailored for online stores. Now, choose your preferred eCommerce platform from the list provided. Follow the prompts to connect your eCommerce store to your Mailchimp account. After successful integration, you'll have access to various email marketing tools specifically designed for eCommerce. Next, navigate to the Campaigns tab on your dashboard. Click on Create Campaign to draft your first email marketing campaign. Select Email and then choose the type of email you intend to send. Customize your email layout using Mailchimp's user-friendly editor. Incorporate product recommendations and offers to engage your audience effectively. Once your email design is complete, proceed to set up your audience targeting. Choose the audience segment you want to reach with your campaign. Before sending, preview your email and perform a test sent to your own email account. Finally, schedule your campaign or hit the send button to deliver your email. By following these steps, you can successfully download and set up Mailchimp for maximizing e-commerce email revenue. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.